Hi, this is Steve with HomeStrung Jewelry.
And Debbie with HomeStrung Jewelry, home of the Gemstone Orphanage.
And today we want to introduce to you a very special set of Gemstone Orphans.
These are your new February doorstep babies.
So let's meet the Gemstone Orphans. The orphan this month is a Noreena Jasper stone.
Also known as Australian Picture Jasper.
And it's more than just a gemstone. It's a piece of Earth's ancient history, a work of natural art, and a symbol of creativity and balance. Whether you are a collector, a jewelry designer, or someone seeking a meaningful connection to the natural world, this captivating stone offers something truly special.
I first discovered this stone back in about 2008, and it was being sold under the name Australian Picture Jasper. I fell in love with those vibrant colors and those unique patterns that you find in each stone. When I finally got around to researching the stone, I learned that it is a pretty late discovery, like sometime around the 1990s, and was named after the Noreena Station, which is the name of the property on which this stone was discovered and is mined.
Originally, this stone was mined solely by a man named Glenn Archer of Outback Mining. Noreena Jasper is a type of chalcedony and is believed to be one of the oldest jaspers on Earth, dating to the late Archean period, or more than 500 million years ago.
Like most Australian jaspers, this one is prized for those beautiful classic colors of red, yellow, and cream. Rarer stones will even have some pretty mauvey purple hues. The stone also features really bold intersecting lines and web-like formations. These create a puzzle-like look. The rarity and unique patterns ensure that every piece of Noreena Jasper is one of a kind and makes it a timeless and perfect addition to your Gemstone Orphan collection.
The intricate designs and patterns found in Noreena Jasper come from the many different mineral compositions and the way these minerals interact as they crystallize. These vibrant colors are caused by iron and other mineral inclusions that occurred during the stone's formation.
And on some cultural beliefs, this gemstone is thought to bring freedom from constraints and to help you release anything that might have you stuck or keep you stagnant. Noreena Jasper guides you through exploring the options that you have available and shows you other possibilities during your life journey. It is said to help one become more aware of their own feelings and to be more accepting of them. Additionally, Noreena Jasper is associated with creativity and inspiration. Those striking patterns and colors are believed to awaken artistic expression and to help you see the beauty in the ordinary.